I told you guys we was going to get another radiator support in on the S10 unboxing of a radiator support. We got the 70s Camaro conversions radiator support, and unlike the S10's radiator support, we bought the cheapest we could find. This one we spared no expense. It's Auto Metal Direct. Good company if you're worried about fitment or anything with your classic car. AMD's got you covered. Most of the time the panels fit almost as good as OEM. Sometimes they need a little tweaking, but you know, it's nothing major, nothing like the cheaper brands, and it's always good quality. So AMD panels, if you want good parts, AMD, a little rough on the pocket. Let's go ahead and unbox. These boxes is very simple to open. Most of the time, you know, they just held on with staples, sometimes tape. This one's stapled. We can just pull up on a staple. And then the box should open up. Okay, never mind. You have to take it out of the box. Oh God, that's heavy. That looks pretty good. Let's get a close-up of it. So the AMD quality, unlike the cheaper radiators, the finishing on all these stamps here is extremely good. They ain't got no sharp edges. All the welding and stuff is extremely good. The details on the AMD radiator support is just amazing. All the bolts has been threaded. On cheaper radiators, sometimes you can get these and they won't even be threaded. So the quality on AMD is outstanding. I mean, you can't go wrong with an AMD reproduction part. The tooling that goes into it, the stamps, and the fitment issues for someone who's dealt with a lot of body panels, I ain't found a better quality reproduction company for parts than AMD. As I said before, it's pretty expensive, a lot more expensive than most parts, but you know, quality and stuff, the tooling upkeep, the workers, you know, the cost of the company is higher with AMD than say someone that's getting a cheaper part that's shipped to them that's, you know, don't fit just right. You know, you get what you pay for most of the time. AMD, you get what you pay for, extremely good reproduction parts. That's what we're going to be using on the Chevelle. Most everything we got in for hit. You didn't know we building the Chevelle too. We still need some more parts coming in. It's hard to get parts in at this time. Radiator support took some time to come in. It finally got here, so we got lucky on that. But the Chevelle is all AMD, pretty much. 90% of all sheet metal on the Chevelle is going to be AMD. You're going to see that in probably here in a couple months once we get this Camaro out of the way, all painted and done. It's about ready to be primed. All we got to do now is patch the fenders, finish a little bit of the welds on the back. The tail panel and trunk's all done. We've got one rocker panel to go, and then it's off to be body worked and primed and then painted. But we got to put ALS in it somewhere in between all that. Maybe a 4-speed. You want to see a 4-speed in this? Let me know in the comment section. So, if you're new, get subscribed. Plenty of content. Check my channel out. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you watching, taking your time out of your day to watch one of my videos. Thank you, and hopefully I see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.